why he wants to be in the video. Say hi. Okay, you want to lick? Okay, we're just gonna lick my chest and my face. Hi. Hey everyone, it's Henna here, and today I wanted to focus on the lips. I'm going to be doing a first impression review and wear test on the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink Liquid Lipsticks. I have 3 of them right here that I got as a set. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post new videos here every week and you don't want to miss out. Also, make sure you click that notification bell button. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I know these have been out for quite some time now, but I haven't got my chance to try them out yet. Whatever may be happening, there's so many makeup releases happening all the time. This was $18 for 3 of these, which really wasn't that bad of a price depending on what store you go to. These do range anywhere from $6 to $10. So I'm on Maybelline's site, and this is the description for the liquid lipsticks. They ink your lips with a flawless matte finish. SuperStay Matte Ink features a unique aero applicator for precision application and is available in a range of super saturated shades. It is a liquid matte lipstick. It's long wearing and it's moisturizing on this lips, which is really nice because lately actually I've been really just using plain old bullet lipsticks. I've been really getting back into using normal bullet lipsticks. I don't know, they're just so creamy and moisturizing on the lips. They really don't dry my lips out a lot. But I'm really intrigued to see how these perform. Before I do the complete wear test, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these 3 shades for you guys. Okay you guys, so that was the swatches of the 3 SuperStay Matte Ink lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that I have from Maybelline. Actually pleasantly surprised at how pigmented and not patchy the red shade was and the shade Pioneer. I am so shocked at how pigmented this red is for a drugstore liquid lipstick. So the one I'm wearing right now is in the shade Seductress, and it's a very pretty pinky nude color. I like it a lot. I definitely think with this formula you do want to apply the lower lip and that's it, and then you apply the top lip. Don't blend them in. Let them do their own thing. Let them dry before you start tapping your lips together. But I really do enjoy this lip color and I can't wait to see how it holds up for a couple hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and go rest about my day, maybe eat lunch, maybe eat a snack, kind of just go through a couple hours and see how the wear is of this liquid lipstick, and you know, we'll just see how it goes. But so far it looks really good and it feels nice on the lips. Doesn't feel drying whatsoever, which is nice. Again, it's not really tacky as much as some other liquid lipsticks are, but it looks good. I like it so far. So let's see how this liquid lipstick wear test goes. All right, you guys, so I am back. I know I didn't really do a check-in. I just kind of like lost track of time. I went ahead and had a snack. I had dinner. So it's been on for quite a while. It still looks really good, intact. Yeah, it looks nice. Doesn't look bad at all. It's pretty comfortable. The only thing I would make sure to do different next time I do wear this is to make sure I don't press my lips together until it's completely dry, because otherwise it becomes a little too tacky, a little too sticky. So it is a teeny tiny little bit too tacky. So I guess I'll just allow it to dry a little bit longer before I smack my lips together. Really nice liquid lipstick formula. And the 3 colors that I did get to try are really pretty. This red is definitely a really amazing drugstore liquid lipstick red. Even high-end liquid lipsticks don't have a really good red like this, which I was extremely impressed by. But of course, the one I'm wearing right now is in the shade Seductress, and this is definitely an everyday shade for me. I mean, you really can't go wrong for a really amazing liquid lipstick. It's only like $7 to like $9 each, and I got this in a set of 3 for $18, so you really can't go wrong. But alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post a new video here every week. And make sure you click that notification bell button so you're notified on when the video goes up in the week. And also make sure to go ahead and comment down below what liquid lipsticks you guys love to wear. I do want to try out more liquid lipsticks. I feel like I kind of stopped because I was just really over it, getting my lips completely dried out. But I definitely want to try different liquid lipsticks from different brands, maybe some I haven't tried. So go ahead and let me know what you guys like from liquid lipsticks, if that makes sense. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.
And your favorite strand, and where you make that extra cash at. Probably have a man, but I don't really